creating and deleting a YouTube playlist. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now you will visit your YouTube studio. Let me first show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. Then I will show you how to delete that playlist. Now in your YouTube studio, you click on create in the top right corner and then hit on new playlist. You can give it a name. In our case, we'll be using sample 111. And then you set it to public. Set it to public. Now your playlist has been created. Now go back to your channel and let me show you how to delete it. The playlist has been created. It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that. Now, so deleting a YouTube playlist. Hit on your library. Scroll down, you see playlists, and you can see our newly created playlist, sample 111. Now you hit on it, view full playlist. Now you click on the three dots, and then at the bottom you can see delete playlist, and then it's gone. As simple as that. As simple as that. Now we are going to refresh the page and see if it's really gone. So yep, it's gone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for your time.